Laphana ukudrive usuke Norway uye Spain. They don't care. They just don't care. Ufike eSpain unikwe order lePortugal. Uthi ePortugal unikwe order leFrance because you're a driver. You are a driver. Lama skills uyawadinga. Uyawadinga lama skills. Trust me. IAmerica iyabaqasha kakhulu o drive. Iyabaqasha kakhulu. Ikakhulukazi indawo eqasha kakhulu asiqale nje Australia iPerth. iPerth ine long distance drivers. Long, I mean long distance, I mean long with LONG. That kind of long. Australia uyakwazi ukusuka ePerth udrive so 3000 kilometers. Abantu they just don't care. Kuthiwa ama backpack drivers. And Australia it's wide. 95% are covered. Bahlala 5% and then indawo khona is vast and they need drivers. Abantu beSaustralia bafundile abafuna ukudrive. Drive amakhehle Australia and then they appreciate ukufika komuntu omusha ona 30 years, ona 40 something years of drive because amakhehle abakwazi ukuthola Australia for long distance drivers. Hamba uye Idaho, USA USA wawufika bakuthathe futhi Utah, Toronto babathatha futhi udriver lapha. Kakhulu babadinga because why I'm counting this ikakhulu as Idaho, Utah, Toronto, lezo ndawo lezo little bit desert off. Ayekho umuntu ofuna ukuhlala especially Utah it is desert, like desert. Arizona is desert and they need drivers. They need drivers because akekho umuntu ofuna ukusebenza lapha. Once you got those skills, you can't go wrong. You can't go, especially in America. I'm not too sure in Europe. In America, they pay them. If you uthola inkampani ezokurobha, izokunika $24 an hour to $29 an hour. Some companies they push up to 45 an hour US dollars. La ngikhuluma ngomuntu osuke emne eyohola u430 to 465 rand an hour. U2 hours wakhe almost 1000 rand. Just u2 hours wakhe it's almost 1000 rand. Obvious u3 hours at esemgaqweni uyahleka yedwa South Africa ungeke uzohole as a driver within 2 hours. 900 rand within 2 hours. You can't do that. Cannot do this. Or driver in South Africa they earn plus or minus 900 rand a day. Yabo. Laphana imali oyenza almost go 1 hour 30 minutes to 900 rand. Yabo. Engisho ukuthi ake siyibuka ama skills amanye ongakwazi ukuthi ube nawo as njengomuntu omusha and then forge ahead. Forge ngoba lento enilwelayo lana nilwa namashangana ukuthi the gross underpaid and bathatha umsebenzi wena nani hambani noba mashangana phesheya. Hambani nemashangana ngaphesheya. Phesheya if uyishangana bekunika 24 to $29. Abantu baseAmerica wo 45. Uyishangana lihola nomali phesheya. Now hamba ube yishangana khona uzoza ukubashangana into enjani.